Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. Okay, we're going to change the battery out here on our 6-button remote. For this task here, you're going to need a flat tip screwdriver. If your key ring is attached, that is fine. Go ahead and leave it on. If you look on the side of your remote, you have your release. Go ahead and push down on your release button. I'm using a flat tip so my fat fingers aren't in the way of it. And when you push it in, you'll notice your emergency blade comes out. Go ahead and set that to the side. Now that we have our remote right here, if you look, this is where the emergency blade sat. You've got this little gap right here. Put your flat tip screwdriver in there and just twist it, and you notice the back cover just pops up. Go ahead and pull that back cover off. See the circuit board move? Don't worry. Go ahead and move that circuit board back in and it will drop in. You do have a little guides to hold it. We'll leave that laying face down. Now take your flat tip, come under the back of your battery here, and we'll go ahead and just rotate the screwdriver like that, and you'll see that it's wanting to come up. Go ahead and lift that up, and there's the battery. This battery right here, as you can see, is a CR2032. There is no metal in here. This is one of the few remotes that doesn't have any in there, but we're going to reuse this battery. This is a new remote, so we'll go ahead. You notice we put it in, push down, it snaps into place, and you'll notice this is where everything that makes your contact. So once your battery's in there, tap it, make sure the battery doesn't move, put the two halves back together, snap one side in, snap the other side, go ahead and put your emergency key blade back in, and looky there, you're done. Hey, thanks for watching. SgtLocksmith there, and if you got any questions, go ahead and send an email, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, let us know we're reaching you. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.